Today we are going to see what happens when you push the start-stop engine button whilst driving on the Volvo S60 and the Volvo V60. As I said, we are going to be using two cars today. We have a black Volvo S60 2017 model and a white Volvo V60 2015 model. Both of the cars have automatic transmissions and are almost identical on the inside. So let's see if there's any difference in the start-stop system. You have different driving modes. You have the Elegance, which is the standard or normal mode. You have the Eco mode, which reduces fuel consumptions and so on. And then you have the Performance mode, which stiffens up the suspensions and the car revs a little higher before it shifts. Every mode changes color. You have the blue, you have the grayish, and the red for performance mode. Now both the Elegance and the Eco mode do have the more traditional layout. In the performance mode you get the mileage or kilometers in the middle, and then you have a rev counter around instead of the kilometers. Okay, going into the menu here, there is a lot of different things. You can change and set up the car just the way you like it. I'm not going to go through it all, but just to give you an idea of how detailed it is, you can even check the number of keys that are made for your car. Button, nothing happened. Push it 3 times and it goes off. Okay, I'm gonna push the button. Nothing happens. Push the button again. 2, and the car is off. Okay, have to put it in park or neutral to get it to start again. This time I'm going to try to hold the button in. And the car shuts off.